Are you tired of chasing people who never respond? You post every day, you DM people, you even follow up, and still crickets. What if instead 100 to 200 brand new business leads showed up in your inbox every single day and you didn't have to spend a dime on ads? Hey, this is Colin. I help beginners start and grow online income streams using simple systems that work without all the hype and tech overwhelm. If you've ever felt frustrated trying to find customers or build a downline, today's video's for you. Because the truth is, you don't have a business problem, you have a lead flow problem. And once you fix it, it all changes. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get 100 fresh business leads every single day, even if you're brand new, have no social following, and you don't want to spend money on ads. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a daily lead system that consistently feeds your business with leads, all automatically. And if you want to skip the trial and error and plug in to a done-for-you system that already delivers leads daily, I'll show you exactly how the 7-Figure Income Club delivers that for you. So let's get started, starting with why cold outreach and random social posts just don't work. Let's be honest. Most beginners try to grow online the hard way. They post random content on Facebook and Instagram, hoping that somebody's just gonna DM me for more info. They message strangers in DMs and end up just getting ghosted. Join like 10, 15 different Facebook groups just to start posting their links and praying that somebody's gonna end up clicking the links. But it never really happened. You see, that's not really a business. That's more like burnout waiting to happen. Here's the truth. Outreach without data, it's just noise. If you're trying to find the right people every day manually, you'll always feel like you're chasing instead of attracting. The average marketer ends up giving up after 2 weeks because they run out of people to talk to, they get discouraged by rejection, and they don't have a consistent flow of new prospects. But here's the mindset shift. Your goal isn't to find leads. It's to have them find you. And the only way that happens consistently is through automated lead flow. When you can wake up every single day knowing that you have 100 to 200 new business leads every single day who already want to hear about business, about what you have, fresh new business opportunities, well, then everything changes. You see, instead of chasing, you're choosing. Instead of posting and hoping, you're sorting and serving. And that's the foundation of every 6- and 7-figure income online business. It's predictable lead flow. Let's talk about the power of consistent lead flow, the power of daily consistent lead flow of 100 to 200 leads every single day. Think about this. If you only had 3 to 5 new leads every single week, it's almost impossible to build momentum. But when you have 100 plus new leads every single day, even if you only convert 1 to 2%, that's 1 to 2 new conversions, signups, leads, or sales every single day. That's where consistency and compounding start to kick in. Daily leads equals daily opportunity. Daily opportunity equals daily income potential. It's no longer about getting lucky with one viral post. It's about a simple system that runs like clockwork, even while you sleep. Let's do the math. 100 leads per day equals 3,000 leads per month. Even 1% conversion out of that gives you like 30 signups, sales, whatever it is you're looking for per month. That's the power of automation. And the best part, you can send one email per day to those leads, promoting your main offer, an affiliate offer, or any digital product, all from one place. This is how the top online income earners scale their business, all without burnout. They let systems do all the heavy lifting for them so they can focus on follow-ups, building relationships, and closing deals. Next, here's how automated delivery systems simplify prospecting using a simple step system. Let me break this down for you so you understand how a simple automated lead delivery system can work for you, because it really is much more simpler than you believe it is. Here's the 3-step flow. Step number one, you join a lead distribution network. This is where the system gathers all the business opportunity seekers. These are real people who've requested information about an online business, about making money online. Then step number 2, the system then delivers these fresh leads to you every single day. You automatically receive 100 new, fresh business leads every single day delivered to you, complete with names, emails, phone numbers. And then even using this particular system with the 7 Income Club, if you refer one person to this system as well, they're going to double it. So instead of getting the 100 leads, business leads delivered to you every single day, you're going to receive 200 fresh new business leads delivered to you every single day. And then step number 3, you send one simple email to these leads every single day. How do you do that? All these leads? Well, you use the built-in email sender. It's a built-in bulk emailer where you could email all of these leads every single day. All right? That adds up. Eventually, you are emailing thousands of these leads every single day. No need for setting up any complicated systems of autoresponders or mailers all on your own. No need to set all that kind of stuff up. I know sometimes it can be confusing to set it all up, but not this time. It's so super simple. You use the built-in one. You copy and paste your email and you put it in the sender, and it automatically sends it to the leads that are put. And in fact, these leads are also already put into your system, and you just email them just like that. And because these are targeted leads, these are people that already raised their hand and said, I'm interested in an online business. I'm interested in making money online. I'm interested in creating other income streams from my home, from my computer, from whatever it is. I'm interested in this sort of thing, all right? So you're no longer looking for somebody who's potentially interested in making money and creating income online. You're no longer looking for them. You've already got them. And now, imagine this. Imagine combining this with a done-for-you AI system. An AI system that actually presents your offer for you, follows up automatically, and trains your new members, handles support, Q&A, answering questions on your behalf, and you're not even there. That is exactly what the 7-Figure Income Club gives you. You're not just getting leads. You're not just getting these leads every single day, a lead flow system, but you're getting a complete business system that even closes for you. So instead of asking, can I find more people? Start asking, how can I build a system that brings people to me? Because real freedom, it doesn't come from grinding harder. It comes from building smarter. And when you plug into an automated lead flow system like the 7-Figure Income Club, you remove the hardest part of the business, finding people. You get back your time. You get back your focus, and you finally get predictable growth. So if you want predictable daily lead flow without having to buy ads every single day, and you're ready to finally stop chasing and start attracting, check out the 7-Figure Income Club. It gives you 100 to 200 fresh business leads every single day. A built-in emailer so that you can contact these leads every single day. A proven AI to do the marketing or the selling for you. It answers questions for you. Plus, step-by-step training, weekly training calls. I have a link down below in the description for you to learn more and get the complete details on the 7-Figure Club. So check it out today. And hey, if you found value at all in this content, you know what to do. You know what I'd appreciate it if you did. Smash the like button, drop me a comment down below, and I've got some more videos right about here that I believe you're going to find some good value in these videos here as well. So head on over there, check them out. I'll see you over there, and bye for now.